Welcome to Stow Car Company in Chelmsford. Stow Car Company is an RAC approved by-shore retailer. That means that all of our vehicles pass a strict 82-point RAC check in addition to our own workshop inspections. It's my pleasure today to present this very nice Ford Transit Connect Sport. Presents in very good condition. We purchased direct from the previous owner. And I have to say, it's virtually unmarked, in great condition for a 21 plate vehicle. Sensible mileage, of course has both keys, and of course has service history. Roof bars are included as well. Drives exactly as you would expect it to. Overall, a very nice example. The main purpose of these video presentations is to point out any marks or blemishes that you should be aware of, so you know exactly what you're coming to view or indeed collect. But I'm sure you'll agree once you've watched this video that overall, it's very nice indeed, and for the age and mileage is exceptional. Paying closer attention to the bodywork now. On the front end, I can't see any obvious nasty stone chips. There may be a couple of very minor ones, but I actually can't see any. But any vehicle that's been on the road's normally got a few stone chips sort of up here and lower down. But that's not me trying to hide anything. But expect a couple of stone chips on the front end, but there's nothing that stands out. There's a very slight scratch just lower down here. I think that'll polish out anyway. It is very light, but it's very minor as well. But as mentioned, we do point everything out. There was a chip in the windscreen. This has been professionally filled with resin, and the same with this one here, and we have an invoice to prove that. And as you make your way along the driver's side, you can see again no gouges, dents, dings or scratches that stand out. Same with the alloy wheel. Nothing obvious on there, no scuffs in the mirror housing, no dents or gouges on the doors or the rear panel. It's in really good condition, this one. Inside, certainly not been abused. It's not been sat on a building site or anything like that. We purchased it direct from the previous owner, and it's obviously been well cared for. No nasty scuffs in there. There's a couple of very light marks just along here, but it's ever so light. No nasty gouges out of the door card, and as you know already, driver's side rear, nothing to tell you. Alloy wheel, once again, exactly as you wish to find it. No scuffs on the bumper corner leading into the light and into the doors, again, nothing to tell you. No cracks in the rear lenses, no gouges or dents in the doors. A couple of very light marks along here. They are slight, but they are there, and as mentioned couple of times already, we try to point everything out so you know exactly where you are, not to waste anybody's time. A couple of light marks on the bulkhead, but again, nothing to get too upset about. At the end of the day, it is a commercial vehicle, but it's had light use, but it is a commercial vehicle, so there's bound to be something somewhere, but it's very slight. Certainly wouldn't put me off. The ply lining has done its job. Overall, internally, presents very well. I've seen way worse. So the rear doors are okay. No cracks in the rear lens here. No scuffs on the bumper corners again. Alloy wheel appears to be unmarked once again. And looking along the passenger side, can't see anything obvious to point out at all. All very nice. Exactly as you wish to find your new vehicle. Passenger door, again, nothing to tell you. And inside, passenger side front, once again, no chunks out of the door card or anything silly like that. As you can see, no marks or rips in the bolster or the seat base itself. Everything looks as it should. Good specification as well on these sports. And that brings me back round to the front. I don't think you'll even see that little mark there. It's very slight. I've zoomed right in. It's very minor, but it is there. Overall, very nice. Drives exactly as you would expect it to. What more could you want? You can reserve this vehicle on our website. You can also apply for finance there, but it's best to do all of these things over the phone with us in the office, and we can give you the best advice. You can also email us, WhatsApp us, or indeed, just pick up the phone. This is Stow Car Company in Chelmsford, and this is the Ford Transit Connect Sport Automatic.